Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve Bluetooth problem on Vivo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down like this. You just scroll down, okay? And here is the system option, so click on system. Then after that you are going to find here is the reset option, so click on reset options. Then here you have to move on this reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. First option, after that click on reset setting. Okay. Then here you have to confirm the lock or anything that you are set. Click on reset setting, click on reset. Then the problem of Wi-Fi problem, mobile network problem and Bluetooth problem will be solved on your mobile phone. Okay, just click on reset. Okay. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.